Hello and welcome to the basic E flat scale, or D sharp. So there's D sharp, or there's E flat. They have two names. You could start from D and go to a D sharp, or you go from E to an E flat. I call it E flat. I mean, if you've been playing piano for a while and you know it as D sharp, well, I'll try to say D sharp as well, but I know the scale as an E flat scale. That's how I'm going to be teaching it. So let me play it really quick. That's the E flat scale, major scale, by the way. Like we already discussed, there's 7 minors and there's 1 major. The basic section is only about the major. When we go to the intermediate into the advanced section, then we will talk about the minor scales. So we're just going to do the Ionian, just the major of the E flat scale. So let's begin. So your first finger goes on the tonic, which is E flat or D sharp. So we go 1, 2, 3 for E flat, F, G, and then we go thumb. So your first finger on A flat. So we go E flat, F, G, A flat, or this would be G sharp. So 1, 2, 3, 1, and then we continue to B flat, C, D, E flat. So there's only 3 flats in this scale. There's E flat, there is A flat, and there's B flat. Or if you go sharps, D sharp, G sharp, A sharp. So we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's only these. Just these 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we go down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Practice this until you're comfortable. Going up and going down. Going up and going down. Since this is a black scale, so you start with black keys, do not be afraid to put your hands deep in the piano. Some people play it like way out here in the tips, and it's really hard to transition this without moving your wrist too much. It's okay. You could actually go deep in here. Like I actually prefer that you would actually play way up, way down here, because you'll have to transition your thumb to A flat from G to A flat. So practice your right hand until you're comfortable with it. And then once you're comfortable, let's do the left hand. So the left hand, you start with pinky on E flat. So we go E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat. So it's pretty easy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on these notes. These 5 notes. So we go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then 3, 2, 1. So we go E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And we go down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we go up and down. Do this with your left hand until you feel comfortable as your right hand. Don't make sure your right hand knows better than your left hand. Then your right hand will know how to play better than your left hand. It's better to make sure they know how to play together at the same time. Or the same level. Once you're comfortable with that, then we're going to put both of them together. So we go 5th finger on E flat and 1st finger on E flat. So we go to E flat, F, G, and then we're going to transfer to A flat with your 1st finger. A flat, B flat, and then we can transfer our 3rd finger to C, left hand, C, D, and then we end it to E flat. And now we go down. We go E flat, D, C, and then we transfer our left hand, 1st finger on B flat. This continues. B flat, A flat, and then we go 3rd finger on G, and this continues. G, F, E flat. So let's do it again. So we go E flat, F, G, transfer up to A flat, B flat, transfer to C, C, D, E flat, and we go down. E flat, D, C, transition to B flat, A flat, transition to G, F, E flat. So you practice 2 hands together until you're comfortable with it. We go up and down. Up and down. There we go. Once you're comfortable with one octave, now we're going to go to 2 octaves. So we go E, F, G, then we move on to A flat. Then we move left hand to C with 3rd finger. 4 stops right here, and then we switch to our thumb for E flat. So thumb, thumb on E flat, and then we go 4th finger on F. And then thumb again, A flat. And then 3rd finger for left hand on C. 4th, so make sure the 4th is always on D with right hand, and we end it. Then we go 5, 4, 3, 2, thumb goes here, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So practice 2 hands until you feel comfortable with the transitions right here, especially with the thumb going on E flat and then the 4th finger going on F. And you end it. You should be really comfortable with scales or the system, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you should do pretty well. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Talking on the right hand. So when you're done 2 octaves comfortable, so we're going to start with E flat for 4 octaves. We're going to go from here all the way till here. So we start first with skipping, like always, 25 times with skipping. So you go 25 times skipping, just like that, and then you go 25 times straight. The last 5 or 10 times you can go as fast as you can, and you'll see great improvement in the black keys, and you can go dig deeper in there, and you'll know how to play this kind of scale much more better. This E flat scale is the same with the A minor or C minor scale as well. You have the same black keys for C minor. We'll get there in the intermediate section. But just to let you know that if you play your E flat scale, you're going to play your C minor scale even better because you will be more comfortable with it. Thank you for watching. Let's move on to the next video.